Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today we are making absolutely delicious sugar cookies. These are different. You don't have to roll the dough out or cut them in shapes. We are just going to mix and put them in the molds. To begin, we are going to add 1 cup of butter into the bowl. And 1 cup and 1/3 of sugar. And you're going to cream it together. Now we're gonna add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And mix them well. So we have here about 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to mix the baking soda into the flour. And after it's mixed, we're going to add it to our butter and sugar mixture. We're going to add the flour. Take the spatula and mix it really well until it becomes a dough. So this is what it's going to look like, and you can add sprinkles, almond, any type of nuts you like, or even Smarties. This is what the dough is going to look like. Now this is ready to spoon into the molds, and we have our shapes ready to go. So you're just gonna take a spoonful and just plop it into a mold. And it's going to go in the oven for 350 degrees. Make sure your oven is preheated. And we'll see you after.
Oh, this kind of looks like this mold.
Cookies are out of the oven. We are going to just let them cool maybe for 5 minutes, and then we'll show you what they look like. So here you have it, guys. Look at those beautiful shapes. They are so cute and they smell so good. Now for the taste test. Okay, thumbs up or thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Yay, good job, Sarah. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.
This tastes good.